This is the last and final wing tack of today. I have 4 of these, as I've mentioned. This one is in the best mechanical condition, but it's probably in, I don't know, it's in pretty bad cosmetic condition, and it's not as easy as wiping some dust off. The paint is chipped here, here. There's marks all the way through the bare metal there. The nut thing on the bottom of the motor is split, like it's cracked. I think that's it. Oh yeah, it's missing. I couldn't hang it. I had to steal the mounting hardware off another one. But despite that, it has the best bearings. It isn't loose. The yoke, because on the other one the yoke was loose. The yoke's tight. Bearings are good. Bearings are actually like, I think it's like 2 or 3 seconds long or shorter spin down than the this one over here, which this one has the longest spin down. And it's the one that I already had before, and it's in really good shape, other than the down rod. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put it onto low speed on the GEC controller. Which, speaking of the GEC controller, let me know if you want to see a remake of that fan, because it's the most popular video that I have up at the moment. So I thought maybe someone might want to see it again. Or maybe it would do really well again, because it did really well the first time, and talking to you guys now, as opposed to them just being fan noises. That's what low looks like. It looks the same as all the other ones. Here's medium. No, that's medium on the other wing tack. That's medium. I don't have spots to hang 4 fans at the moment, but let me know if you want to see like all 3 of these fans that I got today running. I'll put the 3rd one where this one is, and I'll run them all, or let me know what you want me to do. I'm just trying to think. I could probably hang the 4th one, but it'll be like here, and it'll be hanging lower, like I could stagger them. I could try that. Anyway, here's high speed. This one, I'm not sure if it's my mind, but I think this one's actually slightly quicker than all of the other ones. Let me know if you guys agree with that. I can't tell, honestly. I'll put the other one on high as well, and then we'll do a spin down together. Heck, actually, this one's on the solid state controller. Put this one on high as well. You can hear it humming. It's on the solid state. Okay, 3 tats, spin down. That one's the one that has bad bearings. So yeah, that one's on a variable speed solid state control. That's why it was humming really loud. Let me know if you, I know I just showed you all them running on high, but let me know if you want to see them all running together on like all the different speeds. I'd have to put them on separate speed controls, but yeah. Okay, so that one stops first, and then it would be the one that isn't hanging at the moment, a bit later. I'll just quickly show you. This is what the solid state control sounds like. The solid state controls make fans hum, because how they work is they chop up the waves in the AC power to produce different speeds, which often causes some fans to hum. And some fans are quiet, but most fans hum. These ones hum, as you can hear. I'm just slowly turning it up. That's something rattling. I think it's one of the canopies. It's high. That one stopped first this time. So this one went longer. Last time this one stopped before this one. Interesting. I have been running that on this one. It's freeing up a bit. I'm going to run it for a bit more. We'll quickly do the 0 to high again with all of them. Oh, there, whoops. I'm smart. I forgot to stop the power. High, high, high. 0 to high. So yeah, there you go. Let me know if you want to see all of the 3 that I got on my birthday, or if you just want to see these 3 running on all the speeds together. Thanks for watching, and